Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Incognito mode in Perplexity, and also how to use it with a couple of powerful sample prompts. So, if you want more privacy while searching, or you just don't want your chat history saved, this is going to be super useful. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Perplexity app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile icon. This is usually located in one of the top corners of the screen. Once you tap that profile icon, at the top left, tap on Settings, and it will open your account menu. From here, look for an option called Incognito Mode or sometimes Private Mode. Once you see it, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Just like that. After enabling it, go back to the main screen and start a new search or chat. So you'll know Incognito Mode is active when you see an incognito label or icon near the search bar. Now, if that turns blue, that means incognito is enabled. Now, what does this actually do? When incognito mode is turned on, your chats are not saved in your history and the app won't use memory or personalization. That means everything you search stays temporary and private, which is perfect for sensitive topics, testing ideas, or doing clean research. Now, let me show you example prompts you can use while in incognito mode. So you can say it, give me 10 low competition SEO keywords about AI tools with search intent and difficulty level. Or you can also say it, create a 3-minute YouTube script for how to use incognito mode in Perplexity Mobile with intro, steps, and outro. Once you send it, Perplexity will work on it and give you answers you need. Alright, that's pretty much it. Just remember, open your profile, enable incognito mode, and start a new chat. It's quick, simple, and keeps your searches private. If this helped you out, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this. And please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.